Rates and unit rates. So rates they compare two quantities with different units and is normally written as a fraction. Compare using division. When you write something as a fraction, it's like division. You compare different units of measure. Some of the key words that you want to pay attention to are in, on, or for. So like 200 miles in 4 hours, or $3.35 for 12 cans, or 360 miles on 12 gallons, and $4.80 for 24 bags. So those are just examples, a few examples of rates. Now unit rates, those are rates that has been simplified to a denominator of 1. You'll divide the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. And you'll see in the examples below. So you're going to compare using division. So rates go along with division. Keywords would be like per or for each. Okay, kind of similar to the rates keywords in a way. Okay, so first example we have here. So-and-so is going to go 200 miles in 4 hours. Well, if we divide by 4, because that's what the denominator is, we'll get 1 in the denominator for 1 hour of time, and 200 divided by 4 would give you 50 miles. So the unit rate for this situation is 50 miles per hour. So that's how many miles this person will drive in 1 hour. So then let's say you go to the store and you buy some cans. You pay $3.36 for 12 cans of whatever you buy. Now you divide by 12 because the denominator is 12. And that's going to give you the cost for 1 can. So when you divide $3.36 divided by 12, you get 28 cents for 1 can of whatever you're buying. Okay, and then the last one, there's the last two, sorry. 360 miles with 12 gallons. You divide by the denominator, both the numerator and the denominator divide by that 12. And you get 30 miles per gallon. So whoever car this is, they can go 30 miles with 1 gallon of gas. All right, and one last example. So you pay $4.80 for 24 bags. You divide by 24 because that's what's the denominator number. $4.80 divided by 24 gives you 0.24, and 24 divided by 24 gives you 1. So the cost is 24 cents per bag. So those are your rates and unit rates. Unit rates, you want to find out how much for one of something. So you always divide by the denominator number and it will give you how much for one.